Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that many Windows 11 users face, the yellow tint on your monitor screen. If your display suddenly looks warmer or has a yellowish tone, don't worry, this can often be fixed with just a few simple steps. Let's walk through each method to help you get your screen color back to normal. Step 1. Turn off nightlight. Windows 11 comes with a feature called nightlight, which reduces blue light by adding a warm yellow tone to help your eyes at night. If it's accidentally enabled, here's how to turn it off. Click on the Start menu and go to Settings. Select System, then click on Display. Under Brightness and Color, find Nightlight. If it's turned on, simply toggle it off. You should see the screen color return to normal instantly. Step 2. Check color filters. Windows also includes accessibility features that let you apply color filters to your screen. These can sometimes cause unusual tints. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then select Color Filters. Make sure the Color Filters toggle is off. If it's on, turn it off to remove any screen tint. Step 3. Check Color Management. Click on Icon Windows or Start button, then type on Search bar Color Management. Then select Management from the option provided, and a new window will appear. In this windows, ensure that checkmark, Use my settings for this device. Then click Add, and a new window will appear. Find and select the sRGB options. After that, click OK. Then in this window, click RSGB options, and tap on Set as Default Profile. Once done, go ahead and close out of this window. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily fix the yellow tint issue on your Windows 11 screen and enjoy accurate colors again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.